Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to log into your TSB bank account online so you can check your balance, make payments and manage your money from anywhere. So first up, head over to the official TSB website at tsb.co.uk, and once you're on the homepage, simply look for the logon button at the top right corner and click on it. Next, you will then see a page asking for your username and password, so simply enter the details you set up when you registered for online banking. Also make sure you type them correctly, because those little caps and numbers matter. And after entering your login info, you might be asked for a security code, so TSB sometimes sends a code via SMS or email to confirm that it's really you. So just enter that code and hit continue. And that's it, so you'll then be logged in and you'll then be able to access your account from there. You can also check your balances, transfer money, pay bills, and even set up alerts for account activity. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.